Dr. Shanah K. Grant, and today I had the lovely opportunity to serve the Fort Valley State University faculty and staff. We had a financial literacy workshop that is led by our very own book, A Toolkit for Raising Wealthy Kid, that comes with a workbook. Our participants were able to work through the workbook to learn how to lay a foundation for wealth and to invest in the stock market. And in turn, they will be spreading that knowledge with our students here at Fort Valley or their faculty and friends. And so I look forward to see the potential that this workshop had. Thank you for having me, Fort Valley.
What an excellent workshop on such incredibly important information. Shanah does a wonderful job presenting this to faculty, staff, and something that would be very beneficial to students. I encourage everyone to attend one of these.
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Isaac Crumley, teach here and serve as the Associate Vice President for Career and Collaborative Programs at Fort Valley State University. I have just had the honor and opportunity to attend a fantastic workshop presented by Dr. Shanah Grant. It's a workbook, tools and kits for raising wealthy kids. But it really turned out for the faculty, our faculty, and along with myself, it was very important. I enjoyed the presentation. I learned a lot. I also found out how little I knew about investing. So my recommendation for everyone is to attend the workshop by Dr. Shanah Grant.
I just came out of the Financial Literacy Empowerment workshop with Dr. Shanah Grant. I learned so much that I can't wait to start sharing the information. I might have learned a little bit that I can tell somebody, but you should attend one of her workshops and you'll walk away informed and excited. I can't wait to start investing.
And I would just love to say thank you for having me. Thank you, Daryl, for allowing me to be here today. Dr. Fields for pushing me. It's truly a pleasure.